Storya ng pag-ibig na wagas. Storya ng pagtataksil at pang-aahas. May ginawang panakip butas. May happy ending ang wakas. Damdaming malambot at matigas. Sa live drama, pwede nang ilabas. Tutulo na at tatagas ang mga katas ng nakalipas.
Katas ng nakalipas.
Angkol, Dagol,
And Tita, Tanya, Chinita. Finally ay pupuntahan po ako ng AFAM na kachat ko dito sa Pilipinas. Magandang umaga po sa lahat ng suking tagapakinig ng programang Mga Katas ng Nakalipas. Ako po si ADELLE ng PAYATAS, Quezon City. Parang si Tita Tanya po ako, hot na single mommy.
hi.
Mahirap po ang buhay pero kailangan lumaban. Ang dami ko na pong pinasukang trabaho, naging kahera, masahista, online seller, hanggang sa nakilala ko po si Jones. Isang AFAM na senior citizen. Retired po siyang sundalo. Noong una, di ko naman siya pinapansin pero makulit. Ang pamilya ko naman po ay payag dahil tingin nila si Jones po ang mag-aahon sa aming kahirapan. At dito na nga po nagsimulang tumagas ang mga katas ng aking nakalipas.
Katas ng nakalipas.
Really, baby?
Yes, baby. I'll be going to the Philippines.
Really?
Philippines.
When is this? I want to see you. I want to see you. Yummy hotdog, my Jones.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. What you wearing? What country is this?
This is Philippines.
Oh.
Yes. And welcome to Manila. See you soon.
See you soon. See you soon.
Rest in peace.
What? I'm still alive and kicking.
Oh my God. No, I mean, may you have a peaceful rest in the airplane.
Oh, I'm afraid. I'm afraid to die.
Jones, I wanna see you, your hot dog and your Hungarian sausage. Can I check it if it's moving?
It's sleeping.
Sleeping.
It's sleeping child. It's sleeping child.
So
Do not disturb. It's sleeping child.
what's the spelling of disturb?
Disturb.
Are you
I'm a foreigner, but I'm not good in spelling. Okay?
Jones, I wanna see you. You're so yummy hotdog, my
I will
Jones.
see you. I will bring a lot of things for you and for your
Really?
family.
Are you bringing
Dream house? I cannot bring the house.
How about bringing my dream job?
You have to apply for your dream job.
How about my dream car? Are you bringing it?
I will buy you anything, okay? And I will bring, what you call this, gifts, presents.
Gifts? How many gifts?
So many.
I want Victoria's Secret and I want lingerie. I want that so that I can wear it in our in our fight season.
What is lingerie?
Lingerie. The bra and the panty, the lace.
Linger licking good. Okay.
Is it lingerie? Is it? What's that?
Lingerie. Okay, bye. I'll see you soon.
Yummy hotdog, my
next week I'll be coming to the Philippines.
What country is that?
America.
Okay.
Okay. What
Okay.
country is this?
Philippines.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Love you, my yummy hotdog.
Love you.
Oy!
Ate.
Ano?
Ate, narinig mo? Mag-going here daw siya.
Ang OA mo. Mag-going. Talaga?
Going
When
here
daw siya magdating?
Mag-going here daw si Yummy Hotdog, my Jones. Are you excited?
I'm very much exciting.
Yes.
Pasalubong ha. Sabihan mo yung Jones na yan.
Oo, di ba nga kaya ko nga sinabi yung mga Victoria's Secret, di ba ate yun yung gusto mo? Ano bang scent ng Victoria's Secret? Secret yung paborito?
Secret!
Di ba may paborito ka? Yung anong scent yun?
Meron ba sa pagita flavor yan?
Meron yun. Merong ilang-ilang. Yung mga
sandali.
pangpatay, yun ang bagay.
Napakawalang hiya talaga nitong kapatid ko ha. Nay, ikaw Nay, ano bang gusto mong pasalubong mula kay Jones?
Ako kailangan ko lang ng mga kailangan ko ng iPad at saka iPad yung tablet, tsaka yung iPad Pro. Gusto ko yun.
Yung tablet, gusto mo yung gamot na kailangan mo, Nay. Anak.
Hindi, gusto ko kasing mag-Candy Crush eh.
Anak.
Kasi nahihirapan na ako dito sa cellphone ko.
Nay, ang bago ha. Ang bago ng Candy Crush.
Ay, ano ba ang uso? Angry Bird.
Uy, Nay, Flappy Bird.
Bakit mo naman ako inaaway? Ikaw.
Oo nga, ikaw,
Mukha ka kasing pera eh. Mukha kang pera.
At least, may mukha. Di ba? Ako, anak, baka pwede namang
Tay, kayo
humingi ng-
po, Tay. Para
Siyempre.
ma-chat ko po.
Baka
Tay,
makabili tayo ng kotse kahit kanan lang para makatikim naman tayo ng
Ay,
kotse.
Tay, sige, ililista ko. Tay, pwede mo isend sa akin picture yung kotse na gusto mo. Wag na second hand, hihingi na rin lang tayo. Brand new na.
Sige.
Brand
Basta,
new.
brand new.
Brand new.
Brand new. Mahingi tayo dyan sa AFAM.
Oo, tsaka yayain natin sa Toyota ba or?
Kahit saan, basta.
Sige. Ano gusto mo? Fortuner?
Yung pinakamalaki na, van ang gusto ko.
Van? Gusto mo ng van?
Van.
Sige, yung may banyo? Yung gusto
van,
mo?
basta yung van.
Okay. Ate. Hello po.
Ate, sinundo ko na si Jinjin sa school. Ate,
Hello po.
ate, balita namin na pupunta daw yung boyfriend mo na AFAM.
Huwag kang maingay kasi baka marinig
Ate
ng mga
naman, baka pwede mo kung ingon ng
Oo
bagong
naman, di
cellphone.
kita kakalimutan. Ikaw lagi ka mo kaya ang hatid sundo si Jinjin. Siyempre, kakalimutan ko ba naman yung kapatid ko na maalaga sa anak ko? Ano bang gusto mo? Ano pangalan mo?
Hindi mo ko kilala. Arwin.
Arwin. Anong gusto
R,
mo?
hindi Al. Arwin. Arwin nga! Ate, gusto ko nga ng iPhone.
iPhone 15.
Oo,
1 terabyte.
Oh, yun.
Sige, ilista mo ha.
Oo.
Sige. Jinjin, anak, anong gusto mo? Mama, baka wala na po sa akin pambigay dahil hiningi na po ng masasamang ugaling magulang mo yung lahat ng ipapasalubong.
Uy, apo ba talaga namin yan? Napakasama ng ugali ng batang ito.
Kasi po palahingi po kayo, wala pa nga eh. Di ba sabi, don't count the chicks if the egg is not yet cooked. Tama po po ba yun, Tita
Ay.
Trixie?
Mali yun.
Ulit po.
Ano yung English mo? Don't count.
Don't count the chicks
Ha?
if the egg is broken.
Si Tata yung tanongin natin kasi basta
Lolo,
chicks ang usapan.
Lolo, don't count the
Don't count the chicks.
if.
Just love them.
Lolo, don't count. Wag niyo mo, Tagalog na lang po, Lolo, pwede?
Sige.
Wag mo ang bilangan ng sisiyo hanggat di pa napipisa ang itlog. Kasi po, wag tayong excited, nagbibilang na tayo ng mga pasalubong.
Sigurado na yan, Apo. Pupuntahan nga yung mama mo dito. Tanggap ka nga na ikaw yung anak ka niya.
Gusto ko ng Ferrari.
Hoy! Mas mahal. Piniro nga lang, hirapan na Ferrari pa.
Ferrari po, tingnan nyo, hindi po kayo nagpapasapaw. Lolo, wag ka sasakay sa Ferrari ko, ha. Gusto ko magpasok sa para lang elementarya ng naka-Ferrari ako.
Ay, basta, anak ha, pagdating ng apam mo, yung si Jones na yan.
Tay.
Talagang pipigayin natin yan.
Oo,
Kung
tay.
talagang mahal ka
Tay.
niya, ibibigay niya lahat.
Tama ba yun, Tita Trixie? Tama! Nay, tama ba yun? Ay, tama. Jinjin, tama ba yun? Tama po, magsama-sama po tayo. Taas natin ang ating dalawang
Tama yan,
kamay.
ate. Tama yan.
Ano kuya? Tita Arwin!
Tama yan, Arwin.
Taas mo natin ang ating dalawang kamay at punitin natin sabay-sabay ang sedula.
Hoy, Bonifacio, mahimik ka.
Excited na po ang lahat sa pagdating ni Jones. Kaya naman, nagrenta po kami ng van para sunduin siya sa airport. Tagal naman. Ayan na yata. Yan na ba yun?
Ate, yan ba yun? Yung matangkad?
Oh, Arwin
Ay, hindi
na yun.
pala.
Asa na ba? Excited ako sa pasalubong.
Ano ba itsura ng AFAM? Maputi ba o maitim?
Maputi.
Paano malalaman? May mga negrong AFAM.
Nakita ko kasi nag-video call sila.
Ano ang nakita mong parte,
sana.
Trixie? Anong nakita mong parte?
Basta siya, mamula-mula.
Ay, mapula-pula ang AFAM. Mama! Ang tagal naman po. Nahihilo na ako dito sa airport. Mama, may nakita po ako dun ng mga tindahan ng chocolate. Pwede po ako nabibili. Tita Trixie, paluwala mo muna.
Antay-
Babayaran po ng AFAM.
Antayin natin. Nandiyan na. Ayan na ba yun?
Ano po ba yun?
Ayan o.
Hala, ang tangkad.
Hi, my baby! Baby! Baby!
Baby, is that you?
Is that you?
Is that you, baby?
This is me, I'm John.
Baby!
Baby.
I gotta jump!
You are, is that you?
This is me! What country is this?
I don't know. What country is this? Huh?
It's the Philippines!
So it's you.
Welcome to the... Sabay-sabay tayo, my family! Welcome to the Philippines! Where restaurant are we eating out?
Here. We eat now,
In the airport?
Yeah, I'm hungry.
Yeah, let's eat. Okay.
But we will,
You want Chinese, Japanese, or Pinoy food?
I want Pinay.
No, I mean later me. You
Ay, George.
gonna taste me later, but now my family is hungry. Tata, you're hungry, di ba?
Hunger.
Hungry ka, di ba? Ay, nahihilo na, bebertigo na ako sa gutom. Mama,
Ate, gutom na ako. Ate, order
ako
na
din
tayo.
po, nag-fasting po ako kanina.
Hoy, batang-bata ka pa, papasting ka na. Butot balat ka na nga eh.
Ikaw nga mataba!
Okay, bye! Fasting kasi ako.
Okay, but we will pay.
I want Jollibee.
No. You will not buy that because it's too much. Okay?
Jollibee too much?
Yes.
Mama,
We are...
yun mga mura, may ano.
Oh, you will buy, but you will pay. Okay? I will not pay. Darling, I will pay for what I eat, and you pay for what they eat because it's your family. It's not my family.
This is my family. You
So
should treat
what?
me.
So what?
You first saw them.
Okay, and then?
And then you treat us because it's first time in the Philippines.
No. That's not
Why?
how it is.
Maybe later tonight. Maybe we come here to fetch you. But you didn't
I did not ask for it. They came.
But we are accommodating here in the country Philippines.
I only want you, and they come here. I don't
because they love you and they want to see you. They vote for you,
Anak.
for me.
Wala ba tayo pasalubong? Tanungin mo, may pasalubong na.
Jones, where's the perfume?
like.
And the chocolates.
I researched in the internet, and I saw cheap perfumes. We will go to Divisoria.
No, but
We will buy there. The gifts and the presents, the
Divisoria?
pasalubong.
Divisoria, how would you know the Divisoria?
I researched. Cheapest in the Philippines.
Tayo, kausapin ko lang muna po si Jones.
Ano ba yan? Ba't sa Divisoria mamimili?
Jones, yummy hotdog, my Jones. You are from America. We expect you bring yes, the pasalubong.
No gifts from America because
Why?
of tax and very
Okay, let's go to the
baggage.
How about
baggage.
let's go to MOA? It's near here in
No,
the airport.
we'll go to
Resort
Divisoria.
World. Resort World.
Divisoria, it's cheaper and
Oh, in Hokada,
Cheapest.
there's Louis Vuitton there.
you go there, but I'll go to Divisoria.
How about
In Divisoria,
Soler?
it'll be there. No.
Ano ba yan? Akala ko ba
Ate.
mayaman to? Ba't ang kuripot nito?
Mama, medyo bobo po yung napili yung ama.
Hoy, bunga ako, bata ka. Anak, mukhang hindi ko nagustuhan tong AFAM mo. Akala ko ba okay to?
Kaya nga, Lolo, balik na natin sa airplane.
Pa.
Tito Arwin.
Ma, pa. Ano ba yan?
Tito Arwin.
Are you complaining? Because I just want her. I just want your daughter, and you come. Kaya that's why we'll go to a hotel. I want to sleep.
Tito Jones.
What's your name?
I'm Jin.
Okay.
Jin for short. Jin
Okay,
for long.
yes.
For long.
Try
the long.
Jin.
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 Let's stay in Hokada Hotel.
Ate, kahit sa Soler, doon
Yes, Soler. Let's eat to Spiral.
Hindi pa ako nakapunta dyan. O dito lang sa yung dyan?
Sofitel.
Sofitel, oh.
Yes po, it's near
No.
Tito Jones.
I already booked motel. I will sleep in a motel. It's cheaper.
The 3 hours, Tito Jones.
No, 24 hours. 24 hours. They have they give me discount card, and they have a promo.
Jones, excuse me, can we talk?
No. You go with me because I pay a lot for coming in the Philippines. That's why you go with me, ha? Ate, ano ba yan?
Ewan ko anong nangyayari. Parang na-scam yata tayo. Pero, teka lang nga, i-convince ko lang baka magbago yung isip niyan. Kalma lang kayo, family. Akong bahala sa inyo, ha? Akong bahala sa inyo. Grabe, hindi ko po inakalang ganito pala si Jones. Akala ko naman Disney princess na ako. Parang si Tita Tanya. Kaso iba pala siya. Namasyal po kami sa Tagaytay at sa Batangas. Gusto niya po ambag ako ng pera sa mga nagastos. Tapos meron pa siya mga special request.
Okay. I have a request. I want baby. Baby only, and I will get the baby. I will bring the baby back to the States.
Who
you
you
want to
want-
go to States, you can go, but you will pay for yourself.
You want a baby from me, from my tummy?
Yes, baby.
You want to taste me and then make baby only and then you bring the baby?
Yes.
Why? Do you think I'm a dog?
No, you're a cat. Meow, meow, meow.
Jones,
I'm not kidding. I just want baby.
You're not, yes. Hindi mo inaayos yung ugali mo. Nainis ako sa'yo ah.
I want baby. Okay? Let's go like that. And then give me baby. Okay?
No!
I will bring the baby to the America.
But you'll give me money, okay?
Maybe, but if the baby is with me, no more money.
That's unfair, Jones!
No!
You're
You give it.
You're foolish! You're stupid! You're... Ang pangit mo! Nainis na ako sa'yo, ah! Ano kang klase
Ay.
ka? Nainis ako sa'yo!
Ugly, ugly.
You're ugly!
Ah.
Your attitude is bad! You're bad, 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 bad!
I have an attitude, but I don't want you Filipinos. You just get money from us. That's why I'll get
Go
the baby.
home now! Go home! Go home! I don't want your face to be seen here in my country! Go away! Fly away!
No, I'm sorry. I will.
No sorry! No sorry! No, no, no! Stop it! Go away!
Kailangan pa bang i-memorize yan?
Love Radio.
Basic!